Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great, and today's video is all about how I do my nails at home. This is the nail art that I'll be showing you in the video. This is inspired from Pinterest. I have linked down my Pinterest and all other social handles in the description down below. I have also linked all the products that you will be seeing in the video in the description, so if you want to check them out you can, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For today's video, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications of my YouTube channel.